Alright, today we are going to go over addition. We're going to go over, we will do the number line method. Okay, so an open number line is what we're going to do today. So with an open number line, you don't have to start at any specific number. So it's best to just start with one of the numbers, right? So I decided to start with 5,874. And I could draw a number line here, but I like to just kind of hop. So we start with 5,874. We're adding 6,259. Okay, so what we're doing is first I am going to plus, and I'm just going to add the 6,000. So I can cross this 6,000 out. So plus 6,000. Okay, and now I know that 5,874 plus 6,000, I would just do 5 plus 6, and then it would become 11,874. Okay? Now I just have to add the 259. So now I'm going to add the 200. So plus 200. Now that would mean that I'm adding the 200 in the hundreds place, right? This 8 is in the hundreds place. Now if I just do 2 plus 8, that equals 10. And if I were to just try to draw 11,000 and then 1074, that actually completely changes the number, right? It would actually be, this comma would be in the wrong spot, and it would be 111,074, right? Now, the issue with that is, obviously if I add 200 to 11,000, it's not going to magically jump up 100,000, right? So clearly that's not the way to do it. So what we do is we are going to actually, it's going to be, we're going to have to carry that 1, okay? We carry the 1 of the 10, so we put, and that actually goes into the thousands, right? Because 10 hundreds equals 1,000, so we're just adding 1,000. So it becomes 12, and then the 0 part of the 10 comes in here, and we're at 12,074. Now we are going to add 50, right? Because the 5 in the tens place, okay, is equal to 50. So plus 50, and then since I'm doing plus 50, I'm doing 5 plus 7, right? Because they're both in the tens place. 5 plus 7 equals 12. And once again, I can't just put 12 here, so I have to carry the 1, because 12 tens is actually, so 12 tens, okay, equals 100, and then 2 tens, right? So the 2 stays in the tens column, and the 100 goes over here. So it becomes 12,124, and then I'm adding 9 to this number, so plus 9, and then 9 plus 4 is 13, and then I actually have to add the 10 to the tens column, and it becomes 12,134. 3, right? Because 9 plus 4 is 13. So, and basically this is just an extremely long form and complicated way of doing this the proper way of standard algorithm, which you will use forever on once you actually learn it. So we can just go over exactly how that goes. It's substantially easier. You just line the numbers up. Okay? Start from over here. Start from the ones column. And then we go 4 plus 9 equals 13. And then we just carry the 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Plus 5 equals 13. And then we carry the 1 from the 13. So we put the ones column in here. We carry the 1 from the 13s. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 equals 11. And we carry the 1 again. And 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 1 equals 12. You see how much easier that was? And this is the way that you will do it once you get to middle school. So you can do it like this, which is way more complicated, and you're way more likely to get an error and just mess up in general, but we still get the same number if we do it right. Or we can just do it like this, so you can practice how you'll do it for the rest of your life. All right.